Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, today we have the OnePlus 8T. I'm so excited to unbox this because this is a phone which we are going to gift to my mom. Me and my dad, we have decided to gift it to my mom. Let's open this phone. The variant which we have is the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage one. The color which we have is the Lunar Silver. Basically, it's a silver with a fancy name Lunar Silver. As you can see by the haldi kunku at the end of the box, we had already opened it, but yes, the unboxing experience for you. If you lift up this box, what you get inside it is the paperwork. The first thing which you can see is the SIM ejector tool, and if you see properly at the top, there's some space. You just put your finger and tear that part off. This is a very special thing, a personal touch given by OnePlus. This is a letter personally by their founder and the CEO Pete, signed by Pete. Some more paperwork and a Red Cable Club card. This is basically a card for your, as you are a member of the Red Cable Club, which is their wire, the charging cable, some more stickers, and obviously some more paperwork which we are never going to read. Keeping that part aside, the next thing that we get at the lower end of the box is this huge charging brick. Trust me, this is a huge charging brick. But the biggest advantage is that this helps in charging the phone from 0 to 100% within just 39 minutes. The next thing that we get is this cover with a never settle engrossed on the side of it. So this is the red cable. Yes, we do get a charger with this phone. Let's keep the box aside for a minute. So basically these are all the things: the charger, the cover and the phone that we get with the box, and also some paperwork. Let's have a look at the phone. So the variant which we have is the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. I personally use an iPhone XR, but now that I'm holding this phone actually feels very light. This phone weighs, I guess, 188 grams and the XR weighs 194. I know that's not a huge difference, but it feels like a huge difference. As you can see, we have the silver variant. They call it the Lunar Silver, and they also have another option, the Aquamarine Green, which basically looks like a light blue color. There is a matte finish at the back, which is very soft, and a glossy finish at all the borders. As you can see, there are some antenna bands at the top of the phone. Let's boot this phone up. Before adding the cover, what I always do is that I remove the sticker so that the phone looks clean, and I put the sticker on the, like, inside the box, anywhere wherever you want it. I just don't throw this sticker away. And now let's have the look at the phone. The cover actually fits nice. It fits very snug, and it's protruding from all the four corners, so that even if you keep the phone facing down on the table, the display is not going to touch the floor. And yes, the OnePlus comes with a default scratch guard on the display. Let's remove the phone and have a look at this beautiful phone. As you can see, there's a OnePlus branding, there's a OnePlus logo. Talking about the cameras, yes, this phone has four cameras. The primary one being the 48 megapixel, the next is the ultra wide being 16 megapixel, the third one is the macro lens 5 megapixel, and yes, this phone has a monochrome lens which is of 2 megapixel. And as you can see, there are two flashlights. I don't know why they're put there, but there are two flashlights. There's the iconic OnePlus alert slider with three modes in it. At the top there's the silent mode, then there's the vibrate mode, and then the lowest is the ringing mode. Just below that we see the power button, or you can call it the lock screen button. At the bottom of the phone you can see there are two antennas besides the charging port, and on the other end you see the volume up and the volume down button. This phone comes with Oxygen OS 11, which is based on obviously Android 11. Now let's have a look at the camera. So the standard zoom, and the most exciting one is the ultra wide. The ultra wide really looks good. I personally love ultra wide photos. As I'm using this phone, it really feels soft and smooth to touch while you're holding this phone, and it is weirdly grippier. I don't know how. At the top left corner of this phone, the hole which you can see is obviously the camera. This camera is a 16 megapixel sensor with EIS, that is electronic image stabilization. Coming to the display of this phone, which is one of the key features, is that this phone has 120 hertz refresh rate. You can actually feel it when you use it. I can't actually show you how, like, I'm not able to show you on camera how it actually feels, but it is really good. So this is the charging cable that we get with the phone, and yes, we do get a charger with this phone. Weird thing, right? We have to specify that we do get a charger with our phone. Anyways, moving on to this charging brick, which is a 65-watt charging brick, and you can uh, connect this type C charging cable from both ends, because the cable is type C on both ends. The best part about type C is that yes, it helps in copying files much faster, but the best part which I think is that you can plug it anyways. Remember the time when we had the micro USB cable, you had to plug it in the right way. This especially helps when you are very sleepy and you still have to put your phone on charging. So that's been it. This is the unboxing of the OnePlus 8T, which comes at around 43,000. But if you have an HDFC card in India, you get a 2,000 instant cash back at the store itself, or even if you order online. That's been it from my side. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.